In this video, we will be discussing the VITILAN i7 Pro 3.0 electric bike and determine whether it's worth buying or not. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this electric bike in the description below for latest pricing details and deals if available. The VITILAN i7 Pro 3.0 is a foldable, full-suspension e-bike designed for adults who want both performance and versatility. With its 1200W peak motor, this bike can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour and tackle steep hills, rugged trails, beaches, and even snowy paths, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike comes equipped with a removable 48V20Ah battery that allows riders to achieve over 60 miles in pedal assist mode and around 40 miles in full electric mode. This long-range capability is ideal for those who want to commute without worrying about running out of power or for weekend explorers hitting trails. Charging is straightforward thanks to the removable battery, and the aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while keeping the weight manageable. Riding comfort is another strong point of the VITILAN i7 Pro 3.0. The bike features a dual suspension system with an air suspension fork and D&M hydraulic rear shock, providing smooth rides even on bumpy terrain. Combined with 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, the bike offers reliable stopping power and enhanced safety. This makes it a solid choice for mountain biking or navigating city streets confidently. Portability and convenience are also emphasized. The foldable frame makes storage simple, whether in a car trunk, apartment, or tight spaces. With adjustable handlebars and seat, the bike can fit a variety of rider heights comfortably. Additionally, the 20-inch fat tires with CST anti-skid technology provide excellent traction and puncture resistance on sand, mud, snow, and rocky trails. The VITILAN i7 Pro 3.0 also features a smart LCD display with location tracking for iPhone users, giving riders a modern tech touch. While the bike is relatively heavy compared to standard e-bikes, the portability and foldable design offset this drawback. On the downside, it may take a bit of time to get accustomed to handling at high speeds or on rough terrains. Overall, the VITILAN i7 Pro 3.0 electric bike delivers a blend of speed, range, comfort, and safety. It is particularly suited for adventure enthusiasts, daily commuters, and those who value versatility in an e-bike. With its durable build, smart features, and all-terrain capabilities, it offers strong value for anyone looking to invest in a high-performance electric bike.